In this video, we'll be going over how to create the power cord required for this project. It is a little complex, so we wanted to make sure you know how to do it for your arm. For this, you'll need an on or off switch, some extra wire, wire cutters and strippers, heat shrink, and your USB to DC cable. You'll also need two wire connectors, both male and female. Start by cutting the USB to DC cord in half. You can set the DC half aside for now. Inside, there's a red and black cord. Strip away the black insulation that surrounds these cords, and then strip the cords to expose the wire. Solder additional red wire to the red wire from the USB cord. Add heat shrink around the exposed solder point. Do the same for the black wire. Now, strip some of the red wire from a male 2-wire connector and solder it to the red wire from the USB cord. Do not do the same with the black wire. Be sure to add heat shrink over the exposed solder connection. Now let's move on to the DC side. Remove the black insulation and strip the red and black cords to expose wire, just like before. Now, take the black wire from the 2-wire connector that's attached to the USB cord and solder it to the newly exposed red wire on the DC cord. Do not solder the two black wires together. Be sure to add heat shrink over the exposed solder. Finally, you can solder additional black wire to connect the black wire from the USB side to the black wire on the DC side. The first half of the power cord is complete. This side will connect to the battery and be stored inside the tube, except for the 2-wire connector. The cord should look like the diagram shown. Pause the video to make sure your cord is correct. For the on or off switch, you can solder a female 2-wire connector to the cords already on the switch. The pairs do not matter. Either wire on the switch can go to either the black or the red wire on the connector. Your power cord and on or off switch are now complete. The switch will go in the controller and connect to the power cord out the back of the controller along with the other wires. Thanks for watching.